Distributors in Spain, we're very excited of what happened here in Paris, and we hope we will duplicate what happened there in Paris. Excited kami na makilala kayong lahat, makita kayong lahat. Just stay focused and keep aiming global, because dito pwedeng matupad lahat ng mga pangarap ninyo. Huwag niyong pababayaan yung mga downlines ninyo, yung mga grupo ninyo. Along the way, while helping your downlines, you will be able to get your dreams in this business. We hope that you will create a lot of noise there, so that eventually, when we hear your noise in the Philippines, we will go there and visit you to hold our convention there in Spain. We love to meet you guys. We're very excited to meet you. Even though sa video lang namin kayo makakausap at mapapanood to, laman kayo ng puso namin sa lahat ng panahon, sa lahat ng oras. Iniisip namin kayo, iniisip namin kung paano namin kayo matutulungan. Just hold on to AIM Global. Dito, matutupad nyo lahat ng mga pangarap. God bless you all and see you in the future. Thank you.